Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to earn money on Temu without selling anything. So first is you have to create your own Temu profile. So you have to download the app, you have to get it and download it to your phone so you can search it through App Store or your Play Store. So once you have this already downloaded to your phone, it's easy for you to make your own profile. So let's get started. So once it's now open, tap on that home button that you can see on the bottom left and top settings. Now click on country and region, and then the key here is to change your location to the United States, and I'll tell you why later on. So once you're done with that, go back to your home page, and as you can see we have options in here, and tap for the earn credits and free gifts. So because of the location that we have chosen, now we have a lot of free gifts and cash rewards in signing up. So you can collect them or you can get them now, or you can get again some cash rewards. And it will be transferred directly to your PayPal accounts. For example, this one, let's try to redeem this $200 cash straight to our PayPal account. Now, the game here is all you have to do is to just invite your friends. So you just click and start to get your cash via PayPal. So once you're ready, you just tap start, and then you will be able to see this page over here. So basically we have now $1 and we only have 150 coins to go. So we need to refer our friends. So by tapping refer one friend, and then you can just tap copy link, and then this is your referral code. All you have to do is to copy that one and share it with your friends in any platforms that you have. So once they open the link and download Temu, then you can ask them to copy your code, and then so your invites will be headed to another page, and you can just ask them to tap that accept invitation, and it will be updated to your account. Once this is completed, you will get your $10 via PayPal. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.